So in this video, we're going to look at the markets, especially after the yesterday talk by Jay Powell and what it means for the market. So basically, he was more on the positive side. There was no rates changes, so macro pretty much stays the same with a positive up note, and we have seen that in the price. As you can see, I was basically buying the longs at the bottom here on Coincall, which I recommend for trading. I'm partnering with them. You have my link down below in the description, and those longs are printing pretty well. I'm still holding them. I think that was a pretty good spot. I didn't buy much, but that was and still holding. I also bought some call options, as you remember, for tomorrow that I just sold because they were the expiration date is for tomorrow. So let me show you that as well. Basically, that was for the but that was for the call options. So I'm going to go to the call options to show you that in a moment. But basically that was in profit as well. We were buying call options here. Now I'm going to hold more. Of course, this is not financial advice. Crypto is risky. You can lose all your capital, and definitely do not copy trade me without doing your own research and going after your own ideas first. But generally speaking, I like how ETH is looking. I'm mostly looking at ETH here, but of course, ETH is not everything. You also have Bitcoin, which is looking pretty great at $105,000 right now, and also different kind of alts are looking also great. So basically, if you look at some of them, especially things like Pepe, this is the one that I was eyeing. It bottomed here. That was a great buying spot here, but probably we're still in a great buying spot right now. Pepe really went quite a lot down from the tops, and of course, if we were to continue the bull market, it might regain some of the heights. At least that's my one of my guesses here. Now, of course, this is risky because we don't know whether it will continue or not, and also for the next 2 months there won't be any kind of FOMC meetings, which means on the macro side we might be fine, but that might also mean that we'll be in this chop zone and basically nothing much will happen on the majors, which might be a good thing because this means that we can be getting more into meme coins. So this is BullX, another platform that I really like, and especially the best platform for trading meme coins on Solana. This is my portfolio mostly of AI meme coins. A lot of them are down after recent changes, but we get some very interesting stuff as well. I bought a little bit of Fartcoin that I have positive PNL on, and other stuff that I'm positive on is Rune Capital, still holding pretty nicely even after recent dumps. I bought it pretty early, so I'm happy with holding that for now. But for the other stuff, as you can see, a lot of them are negative or slightly positive, so it is what it is. I'm not selling anything here. I'm just looking for new stuff to add for now. Have Tencel ready to basically find new interesting coins. We're in a very interesting market. If you didn't see, for example, just yesterday there was new coin that just launched and went directly to like $200 million market cap. I missed that entirely, but you can see that you didn't really have much time to do. It was around my time, around 1 a.m. That was the launch. So that was, I guess, in Europe that was around 1 a.m. I guess if you're in the US, that's the afternoon or late evening for you, and you could probably catch a lot of that kind of moves. But we're in a market where people are launching coins related to the companies, because this jellyjelly was launched by a creator of, I think, like there was a kind of a video conferencing app or streaming app, and he did create a meme coin related to that particular stuff. So this is really a wealth generation event. I'm looking especially for things like that because if you hit one of them, it's an easy way to add a lot to your portfolio, even if you're just going to get like with 1 SOL, 2 SOL, or maybe even like much less. There were people that were managing to get that sub 1 million or even sub 10 million. That's a great buy because you get quickly 20x within a single day, within a couple of hours. So of course that's a thing that happens from, well, often it happens from day to day, but it's really hard to hit them. And if you think about that, there are thousands upon thousands of coins created daily. I think like right now it's basically every couple of seconds there are a couple of coins. So I think you get at least 1,000 new coins that might be interesting every single day. It's very hard to keep them. So even if you have this list of 1,000 coins, it's really hard to hit the proper one. So it's getting really competitive out there in the trenches, but sometimes you get really those great hits, and it seems like at least every second day maybe you have a big coin like that, the coin that runs from basically nothing to $200 million. The previous one just 2 days ago I think was VVV on base, that was for Venice AI. On previous one, I think like I could probably mention a lot of them. There are many coins like that that were just created a couple of days and quickly raised like $200 million, and then were either forgotten or maybe stayed around $100 million market cap. One great find that I did recently was Doge AI. I mentioned that on my channel. I sold maybe a little bit too early, but I'm still happy with the where I went, because I went, I think, that was pretty profitable anyway. I bought it pretty early, so that was that was pretty one. That was a pretty cool one. So yeah, generally speaking, we're in a market where a lot of things are happening. Maybe on the majors we're in a chop zone, and if you master those kind of moves, you can make a lot of money. But another way is, of course, trying to hit those big gems that are appearing from time to time. And this is what I'm trying to highlight on my channel. For everything else, of course, subscribe to the channel, follow me on Twitter, where I try to do live everything that I find, and of course you can find me on Telegram. I have the channel where I also mention some of the things that I'm doing. Again, nothing here is financial advice. Crypto is risky, you can lose all your capital. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.